Christmas message. Christmas is an annual festival commemorating the birth of Lord Jesus Christ, observed primarily on December 25th as a religious and cultural celebration among billions of people around the world. It is a season of great joy, showing His great love for us, a time of healing and renewed strength. The magic of the Christmas is not in the present, but in His presence. The world celebrates Christmas as a time of laughter, a storytelling, and reminiscing. Many are enchanted by the grandeur and the colorful decorations of Christmas. But it is certainly more than the carols of joy, cookies that we eat, and the sparkles and tinsels of decorations. A number of figures are associated with Christmas and the seasonal giving of gifts. Among them is Father Christmas, also known as Santa Claus. Christmas is also a time of sharing and giving among the family and friends. But the real meaning of Christmas is something even higher, bigger, and infinitely better than all. It is not merely about material things alone for both the giver and the receiver, but giving like appreciating, spending time with the lonely, discouraged, etc. is more value than any other thing. The most important message of Christmas is the message of hope, love, peace, and joy. All of us are very much aware of the need of peace in families, in societies, nations, and the world at large. During this pandemic year, while all celebrations and festivities are taking place, let's stop some time to think about the people who suffer due to coronavirus and pray for them, and if possible, extend a helping hand for the poor and those affected by many other sicknesses. Christmas is every day, and so let's celebrate it with joy and happiness. I wish you a very happy Christmas and a bright new year 2021. Thank you.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings